Now I am going to solve question number 7, 8 and 9. So see here, question number 7, let y is equal to square root e raised to the power square. So we can assume this one is suppose z, this whole one is z. So become root z, become root z. We know that differentiation of root z is 1 by 2 root z differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 root z. What is z? Z is e raised to the power root x. Then after differentiation of z, the differentiation of z is e raised to the power root x. Since differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So suppose this whole one is z, so root z, so 1 by 2 root z. Then after differentiation of z, so z is your, this is part your z, so z differentiation of z. Now differentiation of z means e raised to the power root x. So see here 1 by 2 root e raised to the power root x into, suppose this one is t, this one is your t, suppose t. So differentiation of e raised to the power t is e raised to the power t. So e raised to the power t right here, e raised to the power t. Then after differentiation of t, so what is your t? T is your root x, t is your root x. So this one become e raised to the power root x divided by 2 square root here root x into, so now differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So this one become e raised to the power root x divided by, so 2 into 2, 4 root e raised to the power root x into root x. Now see here, so now your complete answer is e raised to the power root x, 4 square root e raised to the power root x into root x. So if you want to write this one in another form here, so become e raised to the power root x divided by 4 root x into e raised to the power root x. We know that root a into root b is equal to root ab. So use this formula and write here root x and here square root e raised to the power root x. So both are under square root, so like this. Answer. Now I am going to solve question number 8. So question number 8 is here. Let y is equal to log x. So differentiating with respect to x, so dy by dx is equal to, suppose this one is z, so differentiation of log z, is 1 by z, so 1 by z Then after, here always consider as a base is E. Always consider as base is E. Then after, differentiation of log x. So differentiation of log x to the base E is equal to 1 by x. So 1 by x into log x to the base E. If not given, it means base is here E. Base is E. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by x log x to the base E. This is number 8. Now I am going to solve number 9. Number 9, you can use u over v method. So let y is equal to cos x by log x. It means base is E. So differentiating with respect to x. Suppose this one is u, this one is your u, and this one is your v. So become u over v. So differentiating with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, now v constant. What is v? V is log x to the base e. So log x to the base is constant. Differentiation of cos x. Differentiation of cos x minus, according to rule, minus. Now u constant. What is u? U is your cos x. Cos x is constant. Differentiation of v. What is v? V is log x to the base e divided by v square, denominator square. V square means log x to the base e whole square. So dy by dx is equal to log x to the base e into differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, minus sin x, minus cos x, minus cos x into differentiation of log x to the base is 1 by x divided by log x to the base e whole square. So this one is equal to dy by dx is equal to, minus is taken out. So here become log x to the base e into sin x plus cos x by x divided by log x to the base e whole square. This is your answer. If you want to simplify more, you can take LCM. You can take LCM, then after simplify. So see here, LCM become here x. So here dy by dx is equal to minus. So here taken LCM, so x will multiply here, x log x to the base e into sin x plus cos x divided by x log x to the base e whole square. This is your dy by dx. Now question number 10. See here the question number 10. Y is equal to, let question number 10 here. Y is equal to cos bracket log x to the base e plus e raised to the power x. This is the question. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to, first of all, suppose this one is your z. This whole one is z. So differentiation of cos z is minus sin z. What is z? Z is your log x to the base e plus e to the power x. Now differentiation of z. What is z? Z is your log x to the base e plus e to the power x. So dy by dx is equal to minus sin log x to the base e plus e to the power x into differentiation of log x to the base e 1 by x. Here differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x. So this is the answer. Dy by dx is equal to minus sin log x to the base e plus e to the power x. And if you want to write it like this, so here 1 plus x e to the power x divided by x. This is the answer.